Welcome. If you want to make sure everyone in your Telegram group sees an important message, pinning it is the perfect solution. Today I'll show you the updated steps to pin a message for everyone in a Telegram group, so your key announcements, reminders, or links always stay visible at the top. First, open the Telegram app on your device and head to the group where you want to pin a message. Remember, only group admins can pin messages, so make sure you have the right permissions before you start. Once you're in the group, scroll through the chat to find the message you want to highlight. It could be a new announcement, a set of group rules, or anything else you want everyone to see. When you've found the message, single tap on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. Now, look for the pin option in the menu and select it. Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice. At this point, you'll also see an option to notify all group members about the pinned message. If you want everyone to receive a notification, make sure this box is checked before you confirm. Then, tap pin again to finish. That's it. The message will now appear at the top of your group chat, making it easy for everyone to find. Pinned messages are a great way to keep important information front and center, and you can update or change them anytime by following these same steps. If you ever need to unpin a message, just tap on the pinned message at the top, select Unpin, and it will be removed from the top of the chat. Pinning messages is a simple but powerful feature to help keep your Telegram group organized and informed. Try it out today and make sure your most important updates never get lost in the conversation.